Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on workplace productivity and performance management. And today we're diving into an important tool that can transform the way that your team communicates and collaborates. Your company intranet. So let's dive right in. So, what exactly is a company intranet? Simply put, it's a private, secure network designed for internal use within an organization. Think of it as a digital hub where employees can access important documents, communicate with their teams, and stay updated on company news, just all in one place. Unlike the internet, which is public, an intranet is restricted to employees, ensuring a secure and organized way to manage information. Now, why should your company invest in an intranet? Well, here are a few key reasons. First up, improved communication. It's basically a centralized space for company announcements, updates, and internal messaging, making all kinds of communication easier. Second, centralized information. Employees can quickly find policies, documents, and tools without searching through endless emails. Hence, the enhanced collaboration. Teams can work together seamlessly with shared files, project management tools, and discussion boards. And last but not least, boosted productivity. Less time wasted looking for information means more time spent getting things done. A well-structured intranet keeps your team connected, organized, and efficient, making it a must-have for any growing business. So now that we have that clear, let's take a look at how you can create your own intranet right inside Microsoft Teams. So once you're inside Teamflect, you're just going to have to go to the My Organization tab from our homepage. And here we see all kinds of different information from the newsfeed to organizational resources, our internal job board. Let's go through the motions together and we'll take a look at each one of them. Now let's start with the search and organization section. Here you can basically search for anything in the organization from people to roles to competencies or open positions listed in the job board. So let's type in marketing, for example, and see what comes up. Here we have the marketing team, we have roles, we have our competencies, open jobs, all in one section. But if you like, you can also filter out what you're looking for. Let's say competencies, for example. And you can click inside these and see what the role entails. Let's click on job board as well. We have the marketing coordinator position open right now. And you can even apply to the position right through here. Now let's continue with the newsfeed. In the newsfeed, you can see basically everything that your company has shared with you. Employee wellness program launch, employee benefits, new leadership training program, town hall. Let's click inside employee benefits, for example. All the information regarding benefits for 2025 is right in here. And basically what the newsfeed does is make information accessible for your team. Let's continue with the organizational resources. Here you can see health and safety guidelines, compliance regulations, e-learning platform, social media links. Let's click inside health and safety, for example. The file itself is easily accessible right here. And basically, again, what this does is make every information attainable easily to your company about your organization. Now let's continue with the internal job board section. The internal job board shows us all of the open positions that you can apply for in your company. So here we have HR specialist, financial planner, marketing coordinator. Let's take a look at HR specialist, for example. We can also click here inside the role itself and see more details like the description, employment type, role level, even potential next roles, and any required competencies or the key responsibilities of the position. Now, once you close that, You also have other details here of who you're going to be reporting to, your HR contact. You can add any notes about your application and also any attachments like your CV or any additional documents, and apply right through the internal job board. Now let's continue with the Voice of Employee section. This is a feature that allows your employees to share their thoughts, whether they have concerns, ideas, or questions. They can put them through right here. Now if you scroll back up, you'll see next to your notification icon, there's also a Voice of Employee icon where you'll be notified when there are new messages. Let's go back down and click on Open Conversations. Here you can see all of the suggestions that's already been made. Internal knowledge sharing sessions, IT support. Here we have the mentorship program for career growth, for example. And you can answer these messages right through this channel. If you say Start New, you'll also be met with a section that allows you to pick and choose whether you'll be sharing your identity or sending anonymous feedback. Then you'll select your category, whether it's feedback, suggestion, complaint, general, whatever that may be. Then you'll type in your message and your subject line. You can even attach files into these messages. And once you're done, you're just going to be clicking on Send Message. And last but not least, we have the birthdays and anniversaries section, whose birthday it is, whose anniversary, which year anniversary, the dates, as well as the new team members section, who they are, which role and department they've joined, when they've come in. Basically, the My Organization tab inside Teamflect is a true hub of information for your organization. And there you have it. You've just created your own company intranet without leaving Microsoft Teams. If your organization is looking to streamline communication and enhance productivity, a company intranet is a game changer. Want to see how this can work for your team? Schedule a demo with us through the link in the description below, and let's find the best solution for your business. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Does your company utilize a company intranet? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.